Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the first group. Want to present you about our second presentation about tornado intensity prediction based on impact variables using the Kerniers-Neckbor or KNN algorithm to analyze tornado severity based on meteorological data and disaster impact. Next slide. Data collection. During the data collection phase, a data set of tornadoes from the United States from for 2023 to 2024 was collected. The data set was obtained from the public data source containing information on tornado events such as location, date, number of victims, property damage, and tornado intensity. The collected data was then used as the primary material in a study to predict tornado intensity using the KNN algorithm. Next slide. Library. This initial code block set up our project in environment by importing the necessary machine learning libraries. We impact pandas and NumPy for data manipulation and Matplotlib for creating our visualization. From scikit-learn, we import crucial data processing tools like trend test split to divide our dataset, label encoder to convert categorical text labels into numbers, and standard scales to normalize our features so they can share the same scale. Finally, we import the Connect-Burst classifier to build our predictive model along with performance evaluation metrics like accuracy score, classification report, and confusion metrics to measure our final results. Data cleaning. The data cleaning stage is performed to remove blank value, duplicate data, and inconsistent data. This process is crucial for improving data quality and optimal use in machine learning. Clean data will produce more accurate analysis than raw data, which still contains numerous errors.
Next material is data cleaning column. The clean currency X function is used to clean the kerusakan property data by removing symbols such as S, commas, and unnecessary space. Missing value represented by R replaced with 0, and the clean data is converted into a numeric float format. The try except method is used to be prevent error during conversation. Finally, the client values are applied to the kerusakan property column using the apply function, making the dataset ready for analysis and machine learning processing. Next. Converting categorical data to numerical data. In the pre-processing stage, categorical variables such as country, stage, and sumber were converted into numerical values using the label encoder method. This transformation allow machine learning algorithm to process text-based data in a numerical format. Separate encoder variable country, LA states, LA source, and LA cycle were used to encode each column independently. Next material.
Next material, determining variables. In this step, the dataset is divided into independent variables X and the target variable Y. The independent variable used in the model are quantity, state, kematian, luka-luka, kerusakan, seperti and sumber which serve as input features for prediction tornado scale classification. Meanwhile, The Scala column is assigned as the target variable y because it represents the output class to be predicted by the machine learning model. Next, sharing training and testing data. This code perform data splitting by dividing the dataset into training data and testing data using the train test split function. The variable x train and y train are used to train the machine learning model. While x test and y test are used to evaluate the model's performance. The parameter test size 0 to means that 20% of the data is allocated for testing and 80% for training. Meanwhile, random state 42 ensure consistent and reproducible data splitting result at time the code is executed.
Next material is data normalization. This code perform feature scaling using the standard scalar method to normalism to feature value. The fit transform function is applied to X train to calculate the means and standard deviation of the training data and transform it into the standardism scale. Meanwhile, transform is applied to X test using the same scaling parameter from the training data to maintain consistency. This process help improve machine learning model performance by ensuring all features have similar scalar and perfecting feature with last material is feature extraction. This code initializes the K-neighbors KNN classification model using K-neighbor classification and neighbor 5, where n neighbor 5 means the model use the 5 nearest neighbor to determine the predict class after model created the fixed X train, Y train function used to train the KNN model using the training dataset. That's it for us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.